Chapter 13, Key. Which is not part of a report? Cover page, body, complementary close, and enumeration. Well, it's complementary close because that only goes in letters. Number 2, which is not a type of documentation? Well, a resume is not documentation, but textual citations, footnotes, and endnotes are. Number 3, what is the top section of a resume? It's your personal things. Number 4, in which section should you talk about volunteer work? That would be the related activities section. You can find that on page 230. Number 5, you should write down what makes you different from other applicants. That is true. Look on page 230 at the optional section and you'll find that. Number 6, if it's not important to the employer, it is not important in a resume. That is true. That is also on page 230. You should send a thank you letter a week after you interview. That is false. You should send it 24 hours, within 24 hours after your interview. Number 8, you should ask for an interview in your cover letter. A lot of people got that one wrong. It is on page 232 and it says, yes, ask for an interview. Okay, number 9, a cover letter should tell everything about you. False. If it's not important to your employer, it's not important on your cover letter. Number 10, in chronological format, your work experience is listed starting with your first job. It's actually starting with your most recent job. Number 11, endnotes are listed on a separate page at the end of the report. That is true. Number 12, it is appropriate to change the headings of a report. That is false. You need to be consistent in everything you do.